So this is the fruit, and yeah. This spoon is the one dynamic spoon now. You get at the cocoa joint. It's 6:30 a.m. in the morning and I needed to do breakfast, so I find myself in Wa heading to Yeji. So basically I'm from the Upper West region, which is Nadole, and I'll be driving through Bole, Bamboy, Kintampo, central of Ghana to Yeji. And this is my first stop to have something hot inside my system before the journey continues. So we're having cocoa as breakfast, and this is made from millet. So millet porridge, okay, with some buff fruit. And they have also half kose, which is beans flour. Is this place part of Wa? Oh, okay. So street food in the Upper West region Wa, and yeah, cocoa. Okay. So this is one of the hottest breakfast food in Ghana. Across Ghana, everywhere you get there's cocoa joints, and you see people queuing. This spoon is the one dynamic spoon now. You get at the cocoa joint. Okay, so it's millet porridge and locally known as cocoa. The buffet wasn't ready, now the buffet is ready. So this is the buffet, and yeah. Breakfast in Wa.
When we finish, you will pay.
Will pay? I am mine it. So every cocoa joint, there's a kose or buffet going on, and I could see the queue at the back. Like, people really love cocoa as breakfast, yeah. Let's finish. Okay, it's your cool. Okay, later, bye-bye. Man, as soon as we got to Bole, I had a breakdown. The car wasn't moving anymore, and I could see the oil sign on, so I thought it's the oil problem or oil issue. So I had to go to a filling station, get a full gallon of oil. After putting inside this oil, man, the car wasn't moving, so I had to look for a mechanic to come and detect the issue. And since this place, they are more into the motorbike and the tricycle, which is the Bobuya and the Pragia, to find a car mechanic over here is very difficult. So I finally got myself brand new battery because the home use wasn't fitting my car, so I needed to buy a brand new battery. And man, so we got back to where the car was, and we fixed everything, and the journey still continued. So I got to Bamboy around almost 1 p.m. Man, I was supposed to be in Bamboy around 10 a.m. or something, but I got there around 1 a.m. and we made our second stop at Bamboy station, get ourselves some yam. Then the journey still continues to Yeji. It is what it is. Bamboy, come on, Bamboy, we are Bamboy, and we're getting some yam. The papaye, but the okay, so the buyer, okay, fish. Now eat for one. Eat. Fish no head. I think that's where I stop a bus and I didn't know the original for. We'll be able to listen bank. Amaria. Davi. Akakavo. Davi. Akakavo. Diego. Davi, what you buy? Hey, you Davi, real more. It's serious, like.
Why?
You are very fine. You are very fine. People know so. So one thing I don't like about taking buses is that it will waste the whole day, to waste the whole time, because they need to obey the rules and regulations by the speeding, stopping at each point, people getting down, boarding again, and you can't force the driver to move. But with driving or while driving yourself, you'll be able to make multiple stops on the way, do anything that you want to do before you get to the destination. But with the bus, you don't have that privilege. Yeah, that's why I love to drive to any location that I'm going. In this bus, Sam is going to Accra, Kumasi, and this one is going to or whatever. We have the sprinters as well. Yes, we are heading to Yeji. So after Bamboy, that's why I really felt the real journey, because from Kintampo, all the road that we used to prank is really like the real journey. Brown road, on asphalt road, man, we got stuck two times on the road because there was a big patch on the road where there was water inside. No car was coming. You don't meet any car. You meet car once every 1 hour or 30 minutes, and we spent like 3 hours on this road before we got to the asphalt road.
Hey, you gonna call? Okay, I am in the Munko. I am a rough. Heck, my Rebecca Hassi. Where's the second one? You can't come back on the other side. Yes, I'm a car. Hey, Ghana pa. Move motor no. Okay, motor is a musiano. You can't say musiano. Wow. What are you saying? The phrase. I will flow for the practical Abbas, eh? Other price when him say. Wow. I find any picture with a baby here. Now, what about here? Oh, about to be a campaign here for here is all. Sir, it's a now. You should tell us, hey.
Man, someone should sponsor me a pickup, please. If you can sponsor me a pickup, I'll be glad for my next trip. Please, I need a pickup. And from Kintampo, there are funny and interesting name of the villages on the road. So from Kintampo, we have Oforukrom, we have Apesika, we have Jerusalem, we have Zambrama, we have Adeprase, we have Abase, we have Damankwanta, then Prank. So the Prank is where the asphalt road is. So Atebubu Road, Salaga, Prank, then you go heading to Yeji. Finally got to Yeji somewhere in the afternoon, heading towards evening, and man, it was really amazing and fun to travel along the way to see what's going on around Ghana. And man, it's really interesting. You need to travel and see. So this kind of videos give you an idea what content creators go through, or what I go through before I get to the village, and to bring you quality videos. Yeah. So if you like this video, give us a thumbs up. Follow us on Facebook and Instagram, TikTok, everywhere. I'm there. Cooking with Sindaco. Make sure you subscribe, be share, tell a friend, tell a brother, and please, back again. I need a pickup. Someone should kindly sponsor me with 3 months pickup, and I'll be glad with that. Yeah. 3 months pickup for sponsorship. I'm waiting. You can contact me on my email and also on WhatsApp so that I can have conversation. Thank you in advance, and Orokodo. Let's do this again for Shazam Manizo. I'm out.